Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through what to do if the recently deleted option is not showing on Instagram. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the Instagram app here and tap the profile icon at the very bottom right, the three lines at the top right here, and then I will tap the second option, your activity. Now I can scroll down and the second to last option is recently deleted, and I'll tap on that and it'll show any recently deleted content. However, if this isn't showing up for you, or it's not working for you, you can't find your posts or stories or anything like that in here, there's a way to force update Instagram to have this feature. And to do that, we'll hop out of there and open up our settings here. We'll go down and tap on General, and then iPhone storage midway down, and we'll look for Instagram on this list. There it is, and we will offload this app, and then reinstall it. And as I said, this force updates Instagram to the latest version, and it gets rid of any kind of bugs that might be causing that recently deleted option to not be showing up. So once it goes through the steps of installing it again, you can go back into your recently deleted list and you should be able to see any of those posts or reels or stories or anything that you've recently deleted, and you can always recover them and get them back. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.